Look at this shit.
So heaven if you sent us down.
You might be wondering how I shoved a 4-foot longboard into this backpack. Well, kids.
Just sitting on your face.
You're just gonna want, zoom out. My face is ugly. I call this the foldable longboard. Quinn Kuslich patent. Pending. I don't know why I made this, but I'm gonna make a video about it. I copied a very famous blogger by the name of Casey Neistat, and he bought this longboard that folds in half. And I don't have $150 to just spend on things like Casey does, so I built mine in this little montage I'm about to show you right now. Alright, so you guys saw that, that's how I built it. And today we're putting it to the test.
Take time, need to feel your flow, slow climb. I already know one touch, turn these tears to gold. So take time, feel the flow, I see the end goes. Tell me all you know, what stories, broken bones, we never leave go.
Yeah, as you can see, there's an obvious reason I'm tired. It's because this board is slow. This board is slower than Rosie O'Donnell in a 5K. Well, I think it's the board that's the issue, not the design, because the design seems to hold up as good as possible. It's just my bearings are rusted to absolute shit. I hope you guys like this video. Make sure to like this video, and if you haven't already, subscribe. If we get 30 likes on this video, I'll build a wrist-mounted flamethrower.
Oh my God.
I'm not f***ing with you. I'm serious. I will build a wrist-mounted flamethrower. 30 likes. Wrist-mounted flamethrower.
And 5 dislikes.
And five dislikes because some bitches just don't like me. So that's the end of this video. All I have to say to you guys is
Have a pony day.
have a pony day. I'm kidding.
Pony
I'm kidding.
clap.
I'm kidding. Goodbye.